Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to make a payment on Medi-Share. If you don't have a Medi-Share account yet, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, open the website Medi-Share.com. Then click on Sign In. Under Already a Member, you will see a button for Login. Click on Login. Now, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for Make a Payment. Click on Make a Payment. Now, select the amount you wish to pay. You could choose from total balance due or other amount. Next, select a payment method. You could use a checking account, savings account, or a card. Also, make sure that your billing address is correct. Then if you wish to, you could add some extra blessings. Just select from the amounts provided. After entering all the required information, click on Submit Payment. That's how you make a payment on Medi-Share. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.